To access a specific folder within your Gmail account from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra home screen, you have to add the Gmail label widget to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area, and then tap widget at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down the widget screen to find Gmail, or you can quickly find the widget by typing its name on the search bar. Tap Gmail. Now tap and hold the Gmail label widget and then drag it to the desired area on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Select the desired Gmail account and then select the desired folder. As the example, we will select Start folder. If needed, you can rename the folder or just leave it by default, and then tap Done button. As you can see, now the Gmail label widget has been added to your home screen. With this widget, you can easily go to the selected folder within the selected Gmail account. In this case, the Start folder, where you can view all email messages that you have started before, right from your home screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.